Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let us look into the last part of the integration by parts for the definite values. Okay, refer to your workbook page 231. We have a simple work on how to do the definite integration by parts. Okay, the formula is uv minus integral of v du. Right, so a question of this example between algebra and exponent. Algebra and exponent. Algebra come first, meaning the appropriate u will be the algebra, the x. And we differentiate du dx is 1, so du is the x. As for the dv portion, e power x dx, so we integrate both sides, we get v, and here we are to integrate the e power x, which is the e power x. So the question now, okay, applying this formula, the u v minus v du, so the u x, the v e power x, minus integral the v e power x du is dx there. So as we have to solve it, okay, the integral of e power x is e power x. For the definite integral there, okay, so you just need to replace the upper boundary, which is 1, replace x as 1, e power 1 is e, minus, substitute the lower boundary, x is 0, e power 0. Okay, and then for this portion, minus, replace the x as 1, e power 1, which is e, and minus e power 0, which is 1. So as we simplify, this is e, this is 0, this is minus e, and e power 0 is 1, so minus minus plus. So as we simplify, we get to that last answer there, which is 1. Okay, so let us do examples for this integral with the boundary. Alright, let's concentrate question number 1. Let's replace, okay, by using the integration by part, choosing what is the u and the v between log and algebra. We start with, you should choose the u as the log and the algebra 1 the x. Okay, and then like before, you are to differentiate for this portion and integrate for this portion to get to your v, and then replace into the values. And don't forget to replace as well the boundary. Our boundary is e to 1, so here we need to replace first the e minus, replace it as 1, okay, and as well. Right, okay, why don't you try it first? I'll give you maybe 3 minutes. You try them first, and later we will compare answer. So let's compare answer. So again, choosing the correct u, differentiate correctly, and here you are to use the formula. Okay, do you see that sometimes it's easier if you just get to the answer. Okay, that's the answer. Before get the answer, and then you replace the upper boundary, which is the e. Ln e is 1, ln 1 is 0, minus the lower boundary, replacing everything there, the x there as the values of 1, and simplify your answer. So there, 6 marks for this question. Check my work, I got E. Right.